After we explained in the previous video how to install the software and how to create a new accounting file, today we will explain the chart of accounts and how to add new accounts, modify an account, and delete unused accounts. First, you should review the current chart of accounts and review the existing accounts and whether they are suitable for the company or not. By going to the Accounts menu and then clicking on Chart of Accounts, we note that the current chart of account will appear. You can also view its details by clicking on the available levels at the top of the chart, or by clicking on the plus symbol next to each account, or by right-clicking on the account and then expand on or expand all. It becomes clear to us what accounts need to be added. Now, to add any new account, first you must understand what an account card is and what are the definitions available in it. By clicking on the Accounts menu, then the account card, or use the available shortcut Ctrl F11. Here the account card will appear, through which any new account will be defined. It should be noted that no account can be added without the basic information of the account card, which are the account code, account name, and final account. Account code is the unique code for any account. Since the program has multiple interfaces, the account name can be written, which is the name that appears in the Arabic interface. The Latin name is the name that will appear in the English interface. The final account is the account whose balance will be carried over into the final accounts reports. The main account is the account to which this new account belongs. As for the budget, it can be used when we want to set a maximum limit for the account in order to alert if the account balance exceeds this limit. Which can be debit, credit, or without. When specifying a debit or credit, the budget value must be selected. You can also choose the nature of the account. You can also choose the hide option from the search window if you do not want to use this account in the entries. As for the option of Force Cost Center, it can be activated if we want to charge a specific expense for a specific project, as is the case in contracting companies, or to a specific department, as is the case in factories or clinics. Now we will do a simple example. Suppose we are going to add an account for a fixed asset. We will go to the Accounts menu, then the Chart of Accounts, and look for the Fixed Assets account. This is to know what code to choose for the account. Since the last account in Fixed Assets had a code of 114, the new account code will be 115. We will write the account name and then the Latin account name. It should be noted that the name can be written in Arabic if you wish. You can search for the main account by writing the account code if we know it, or search by typing the account name. It can also be searched for using the search icon button. We will choose the final account to which the balance of this account will be transferred, and since this is a fixed asset account, the final account will be the balance sheet. After completing the data, you must click the Add button to save. A save confirmation message will then appear. Click Save. After updating the chart of accounts, we will notice that the new account has been added. It should be noted that some information can be filled in automatically. For example, if we go again to a new account card and just enter the main account, we will notice that the final account and account code will be filled in automatically. All we have to do is write the account name and the other information. There are some features that can be activated in the chart of accounts by right-clicking on the chart header. For example, you can activate the Show Final Accounts. The final account for each account's the chart will appear. An account can be added to the chart of accounts in another way. By opening the chart of accounts from the Accounts menu. Or you can even choose the chart of accounts icon from the icons available at the bottom of the menus. Then search in the designated place to search for the account in which you want to add a new account. Right-click on the selected account and choose Add Sub-Account. Just fill in the account name, Latin name and the other information and then click Add. The account code sequence must be taken into account when adding the first sub-account from a main account. For example, if we wanted to add the first bank account to the main bank's account, we will notice when clicking on Add Sub-Account, the account code will be empty for the first time. You must write the account code, starting with the main account code, then taking into consideration the number of sub-accounts that will be added later. Note that the code will be sequential in new accounts. To modify any account, you must open the chart of accounts and then search for this account. Then double-click on the account or right-click on the account and choose Account Card. Make the modification to the account card and then modify. Also, to delete the account, click on Delete. Please note that a main account or any used account cannot be deleted. It cannot be deleted if it is used in the entries or in the system settings. The account icon can be used to differentiate between used and unused accounts. I hope you have benefited from this video and thank you for watching.